Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set or make foreign key using relation view setting in tables for database in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our table, customers and orders, and then you see type innoDB. So if you want to set foreign key relationship in tables, then you need to change your storage engine database operation table innoDB. So customer is also innoDB already, but go to order. Now you see structure, so click on it. Now go to operation, so again click on it, and then you see table operation. Now you see storage engine MySQL. Now select innoDB. So foreign key only work in innoDB storage engine, and then click on go. Now you see your SQL query has been executed successfully. Go to database again. Now you see both customer and order table type innoDB, and then we are going to make foreign key relation in order tables using relation view. Now you see orders, so click on it. Now you see order ID, customer ID, order date. Back to database, go to customer, and then you see customer ID, name, go to structure. So this is our customer ID primary key. Now you see data type int. So your primary key data type and foreign key data type will be matched and will be same, and then your foreign key will work. Now you see customer ID in customer, data type int and primary key. Back to database. Now go to orders table, so click on it. Now go to structure, and then you see order ID primary key int. Now you see customer ID int, data type is same. This customer ID in customer table is primary key, but here we added customer ID and then we are going to set it foreign key. Now you see relation view. So this option only appear when you select database table storage engine innoDB. So we select already innoDB. Now click on relation view, and then you see multiple option, action, constraint properties, column, foreign key, database table. So first we are going to add constraint name for foreign key. So you can add value according to requirement. And then you see on delete drop down, you see cascade, set null, no action, restrict. On update, you see restrict, cascade, set null, no action. So you can select option according to requirement. Cascade mean auto delete or update corresponding child record when a parent record is deleted or updated. Set null mean set the foreign key value in the child record to null when the corresponding parent record is deleted or updated. It's mean child record set to null but not delete. Set default, set the foreign key values in the child record to their default value when the corresponding parent record is deleted or updated. Restrict mean prevent the deletion or update of a parent record if there are any corresponding child record enforcing referential integrity. So we can select cascade, and then you see column. So this is a column for existing table, table order, customer ID we select, and then you see database we select Ali, and then you see table we select customer, and then you see column. So this is a primary key, basically customer ID we select. So this is a customer ID for order table, existing table we have orders, database we select Ali, and this is our table customer, and this is our customer ID for customer table, and then click on save. Now you see your SQL query has been executed successfully. Now go to structure again, and then you see new structure created foreign key. So in the order table, the customer ID column is a foreign key that references the customer ID column in the customer table. This relationship ensures that each order is associated with the valid customer. If you try to insert an order record with customer ID that does not exist in customer table, the database will throw an error maintaining referential integrity. Now go to database. Now you see customer, so click on it. So we have customer ID 1 or 2. Now go to order table again. So click on it. So we are going to add record. Now go to SQL. So we are going to add record. So we are going to add query. Now paste, and then you see insert into order customer ID, order date. So in customer ID we have ID 1 and 2. In value you see 1. So we are going to add 5 first, and then click on go. Now you see error because customer ID 5 is not exist in customer table. So that's why throw error. Now you see. And then we are going to add 2. So customer ID 2 already exists in customer table. And then click on go. Now you see one row inserted. Query executed. Go to browse again. Now you see new record added. So when we try to add record with invalid ID, customer ID, then data not added. So throw error, and then you see customer ID when we hover on it. Now you see web task. So we are going to add customer ID with 1 SQL. Now paste 1 and then click on go. 1 already exists in customer table. Go to browse again. Now you see 1. So when we hover on 1, then you see Asan. So this is the customer ID name. Now you see. So in this way you can create foreign key using relation view in PhpMyAdmin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.